Hello and welcome to Elite Finish and welcome to another project, this time BMW i8 Roadster. Let's go take a look. So this i8 Roadster came to us because the customer purchased it used and they wanted it to be as perfect as possible and have it feel as new as possible for their ownership for long term. So as with most used cars, this used car has miles on it, and with no paint protection film and miles on it, that means the front bumper's got a couple little stone hits on it as well as just some sand pitting, stuff from driving, from using the car. So we actually went through and all the gloss black on the front of the car went and repainted it, and then we added paint protection film to the whole front end of the car. It's gonna stop that damage in the future, make it much easier to live with. We also went through and corrected this beautiful Donington gray paint. The customer also has a Grand Coupe M8, and that's also in Donington gray. So having these two matching side by side is great, but this being a used car and his M8 being new, bringing it up to standards with a full paint correction, ceramic coating to keep it protected for the long term, make it easier to clean and add that extra shine and pop to the paint so you can look at both cars and enjoy both cars and just smile and go, ah, two new cars, even though one is used. Having this car and bringing some life back to it, you know, everyone has that vision in their head of the car they've been looking for, and when that car you've been looking for happens to be used, being able to bring it back up to that vision and be able to, you know, show up here, take a look at it and go, wow, that's exactly how I wanted it to look is always a good feeling for us to be able to provide and to see on our customer's face.